Look at this adorable accordion card, and can you imagine sending it to someone? Well, you know what? I have everything you're going to need to make this and so much more. I am going to share it with you right now. But first, I'm going to show you a couple other items that we have now on our website. Dun, 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 dun. The first one is this fuzzy caterpillar A2 fold-it card. Now, first of all, he's absolutely like huggable. I just want to go hug him and give him some love. But look at how cute he is as a fold-it. Now, he's so cute. This fits in an A2 size envelope. And look at how cute he is. He says, have a happy day. And he has here he has a cute little happy face on. And I have lots of other samples to share with you. Moving on. We also have a new type of release today. Brand new to the Stamps of Life, we are now offering a double mini slimline. It's like our Tri Basics. Remember our Tri Basics Slimline and our Tri Basics A2? This is double mini slimline. So it's not a mini version of the big slimline. This is different. This is horizontal, but it still could go vertical. But this is the basic. So this is the first one you're going to get. We have lots more coming. This is the first one. And why do we call it basic? Because these pieces in here are optional. This is going to cut the base that you put down first, not the card base, but the base you put down first. It's going to layer on this mini slimline. Then you have this option to cut out just the dotted spots. And then you have the option to cut out the dotted spots and the hearts. So lots of options on this one, and then those fun pin dot swirls. Oh, so many samples to share with you. Now, moving on, two more items. This is so fun. This is called the Floral Oval Frame. Now, a lot of you literally fell in love with our fall frame, our fall oval frame. It's hard to keep in stock. I think it's finally in stock again because it's not fall right this second. And let me just tell you, we got so many requests. I want more, I want more, I want more. Well, here's another one. And this one is fun. It's a stitched oval, fits on an A2 size card, and it has all these fun little flowers and stems coming off. But I added extra tops to the flowers that cut separately if you wanted to glue those on separately. Now, you could just use a marker and color them if you want to, but I wanted you to have the option to die cut them separately to add them on. Then you're also getting the words with love and then also sympathy. So you can say with love or with sympathy that fit in that oval. Lots of samples to share. Stay tuned. Last but not least is the one I showed you at the beginning. Now, before I even start, I need to say thank you to Nancy Legette. I hope I'm saying her name right, her last name right. She submitted this idea to us, and Nancy, you know you don't have to buy this because we're going to send you one for free, and I made it my own. I changed it, I tweaked it a little bit and made some other changes, but now we have it, and it is called the A2 Accordion Die Set, and this one is so jam-packed. There's so much in here, I had to put an extra card of dies in here because that's how full it is. Now, it does not include an A2 card base. It does not include an A2 card base. Why? You already have one. Why would I make you pay for one again, right? I know you already have an A2 card base. If you don't, we have lots on our website you can go choose from. But you'll need an A2 card base, and this is all going to go on top. And we're going to have a video that shows you how to do it, but let me just tell you how awesome it is, and let me show you how awesome it is. Look at this. Look at this cute little bunny poking out. This is our little bunny Pudgy. And look at the size on this thing. So this thing can pop way out. Look how cute it is. This one has little, ooh, Ken's gonna get these, M&Ms in the back to make it a little pocket, but it's also a card front, so you can put it on the card. Now, look how cute that is. There it is all together. Is it mailable? Yes, it is. If you put M&Ms in there, it's gonna be a little thick, but it is mailable. Don't worry, it fits in an A2 size card. Here is the one Nancy sent in as an example. And it's kind of getting a little crushed because it's been across the United States a couple times with our sample team. But she has 3 1, 2, 3 steps, right? Well, on ours, we only gave you 2, and there's a reason. 1, to save you money. 2, because this big one, the big layer, you're just gonna cut in half diagonally. And every single time you do that, I want you to say, yes, just save some money. Yes, just save some money, because the die would have been a lot more expensive if I would have added that second panel in there. So I'm all about saving you guys money, right? So you need an A2 card front, and you're gonna trim with your trimmer straight across if you want that third step. And here it is with 3 steps. Now the bunny one, heads up, is just 2 steps. So the choice is yours. Now let's move on and look at some of the other samples. Here is our cover shot. There's the 3. And you're also getting the fun little leaves in here. You're also getting 1 step at a time, because technically, step, 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 it's a step, right? Now, let's look at a couple of fuzzy caterpillars, and then we're gonna go back to that one. Here we have our cute little guy. Look how cute he is. He's just cruising along. I love him. Here's one. Ooh, this one here, this is wearing our cute little glasses. I absolutely love that. That's the sunglasses to stamp. So cute. And ooh, the brush stroke to stamp for the sentiment. Be unique. Look how cute that little guy is. And then this one, oh, who made this one? It doesn't say. But ooh, this is perfect for my boys. They're getting this right after this. Look at this. There's a red caterpillar. What's it say on the back? Red. Look at this. Orange. Orange, using our varsity alphabet, my friends. Yellow, it says yellow. Green, oh yeah, it says green. This is just on a ring, just a regular metal ring. Blue is gonna say blue. Purple's gonna say purple. There's my little pink. Oh, there's the back. Here, who made this? Oh, Yvette made this. I love this. And then pink, because you know, we have to have pink in there. But look at how beautiful that is. How fun to make something that looks like that. And each one looks so amazingly different with the different colors, right? Now, of course, Michelle made a cute little stuffy. Gotta love this little guy. Look at him. He's just cruising along, cruising along. Now, let's look at the mini slimline. Are you ready? Let's look at these. So here we have the dotted swirls and the fun hearts at the bottom. So you could make the swirls on top or the swirls on the bottom. Just flip it, right? Beautiful, just breathe. Here it is. There it is. Hearts. Oh, hearts again on the bottom. Hearts on the bottom and the swirls on the top. So pretty with that dotted. Isn't that fun, that dotted? Here, this one's nothing at the bottom, just the dots. And then here we have the pin dots and the dots. Lots of options. Oh, this one's a sneak peek. This one's a sneak peek. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Love it. Here's another cute one. Love. Isn't that beautiful? Love you with all my heart. Pretty. And here's, ooh, oh, that was a total sneak peek. Oh, don't even look at that one. I love it. I love it. You know what? Sneak peeks are fun because you know what? Sometimes it's just fun to get to see something different. Now, that's coming soon. Let's look at some of the oval frame. I know you guys loved the pumpkin one, so much so that I immediately went back to the drawing board to make another one. Here is one with the flowers. So you see the little flowers. The With Sympathy does come in the oval set. Oh, and this one is even a shaker. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Isn't that pretty? That's using our front shaker card. Love it. Isn't that pretty? Now, let's look at this one. Oh, we use different words in it. Birthday hugs. Look at those pretty flowers. They're delicate enough that you could use them anytime, right? They're so pretty. Here's another one. Oh, and this is a shaker also. This one says, you're not getting older. You're just becoming a more beautiful butterfly. All a shaker. I love it. Open that up. You can write your message on the inside. Here's another one with love. Look at those pretty dainty flowers on there with a fun little butterfly on it. This one's fun. Are you ready for this one? This is using the pocket slider. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. And it says, life is a journey, enjoy the flight. And it says, I'm praying for you up at the top. Look at that, you guys. Flat for mailing, pocket slider. It's on our website. And look, it stands. It can stand. Isn't that awesome? And it's just such an awesome message. And it can also be on a card front. So if you wanted to put the card front on there, you could also do that. Now, a question I know I'm going to get about what do I do with the fun accordion for writing the information, for writing my message. You can write it on the inside because you can make it a card, or you can do something like this where it's just on a card front and you can have the back have your message on it. Now this one is really fun. This is 3, but look, this is die cut with our cloud, hang on, let me find it. Border dies using the clouds. Look at that, totally different, not straight. Nope, these are clouds. Aren't they beautiful? Here, let's look at a couple more. Here is one step at a time. And look at how awesome these pop out, you guys. It still stands, don't worry, it still stands. It's still flat enough to mail. Open that up. Look how pretty that is. The greenery on this one, you are going to fall in love with. It's so fun. Do you have to use the greenery with it? Absolutely not. But look how stunning it is, right? So beautiful to use it one step at a time, especially a good message for somebody that just needs a little pick-me-up, and you tell them, hey, just one step at a time. Don't look at the 100 steps in front of you. Just look at the one step in front of you and keep moving. And that's all you have to do in life, right? Sometimes we get overwhelmed and we're just like, oh, there's just so much to do, or, oh, this is such a big project, or, oh, I don't know how I'm going to get through this. You know what? You don't have to get through the whole thing. You just have to get through one step at a time. And don't look at everything else. Just look at one step at a time. That's also something that I tell my daughter, Katie. She sometimes will get overwhelmed and she'll say, I have so much to do. I have so much to do. Next week I have to do this. Next week I have to do that, blah, blah, blah. And I said, no. Don't look at next week. Look at today. Just look at today. Do today. Don't look at next week. Now tomorrow, when it's tomorrow, you look at that day only. Don't look at next week. And that's the same as one step at a time. Just look at the step you're on. Don't worry about the other steps. Just the step you're on. Look at how pretty that is. Hey, bunny. So cute. And then on the back here, what's happening in your neck of the woods? So cute with our cute little bunny on there. Club members, I know you know, but I always like to say it. You get the club discount on everything I just showed. No exclusions. But if you get to our website, the first 24 hours that are on our website, these are all on flash sale. Oh, I know. So go get them quick, because not only do you get the everyday price, then you get the flash sale price, then you get the club discount on top of that, two discounts. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want you to click that subscribe button, and then you can be a subscriber and you will get a notification anytime we release a new video or when we go live. We go live every Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern with Stephanie's Crafting Corner, where every time I make something, right off the bat, I make something. And we get to chit chat and visit. So go check that out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.